How to download Android apps not available in your country. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Play Store. Once you're in here, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Move into Payments and Subscriptions. Head over to Payment Methods. Tap on More Payment Settings at the bottom. It will land you on this interface. Tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner, and then move into Addresses. Tap on Add Address. In this page, you'll be able to set or change the address. Tap on this little down icon over here. Now select any of the country in which the app that you wanted to download is available. Once you have selected the country, tap on Save at the bottom right corner, and then your address will be changed. You will also be able to download the app that you are willing to. So that's it, and this is simply how you can download Android apps not available in your country. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.